everybody, so today I'm going to bring you a long-awaited video called Cystic Acne. What is cystic acne? And I talked about doing this video in a lot of other videos, and I finally kind of figured out, to the best of my ability, kind of researched it and really tried to figure out as much as I can that I'm ready to bring to you. So again, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a professional, nothing like that. Be sure to talk to your doctor. Be sure to do your own research. Don't just take my opinion, actually research it, and take different sources, because that's what I do to find my information. But I want you guys to know a little bit about what I think that I know about cystic acne, and kind of help you guys understand it a little bit more like I promised earlier. So first off, what is cystic acne? There's kind of like two forms of cystic acne. There's the actual cystic, and then there's nodular cystic. And it's kind of debating whether that's the same or whether it's two different things. But either way, cystic acne or nodular cystic acne is the most severe form of acne that people can get. And what's different about this is that it doesn't just appear here on the face, it appears all over the entire body, sometimes on the back, generally on the back and here at the jawline, but it can appear other places too. What it is that the blemishes are very, very large. They can even be a couple centimeters across in extreme cases. Like there have been cysts that are like this big, like legitly. And they're basically these pockets of inflamed matter underneath the skin. Cysts feel like they're kind of squishy, they're kind of soft, they're like fluid-filled acne pimples underneath the skin. They're like these big bumps underneath the skin of fluid, and sometimes you can squeeze on them a little bit, like they're a little bit squishy. And nodular cystic acne is when it is like rock hard. They are these big inflamed rocks underneath your skin with a little bit of cushion around them, and they're just painful and terrible, and they usually happen around the jaw and the back of the shoulders area, but they're underneath the skin and they're very, very difficult to get rid of. There's also nodular cystic acne, and nodular cystic acne is a little bit different because it's nodular cystic acne along with regular cysts. Nodules are hard, and they're the ones that are really, really painful. They're the lumps that are underneath, and they're a lot larger than, either cysts or, they're about the same size as cysts, but either way, cystic acne and nodular cystic acne is a lot larger than the regular pimples, like the little volcanoes that we're normally going to get on our face. These nodules and these cysts, they form really, really deep in the skin, in the bottom layers of the skin, because the skin has like 7 different layers that we talk about in the 7-layer video and the scarring video. So in those different layers, of course, if they're really deep down, they're a lot harder to get to. They're very, very hard to treat. And so in the controversy between cystic acne and nodular cystic acne, some doctors have said acne cysts are not necessarily acne cysts. They're just nodular cystic acne that is very, very inflamed, which explains why it's a little bit more fluid and a little bit more pussy. So is it two different things, or is it one that just turns into another? We don't really know. So the other thing is that if you do have this form of acne, you need to see a dermatologist. You need to. We have a video